Struggling to get everyone on board for your next big innovation? Managing internal stakeholders can make or break your success. But what if there was a way to tackle resistance, align interests, and drive buy-in? Stay tuned to discover how. Today, we're tackling one of the most critical, yet often underestimated aspects of innovation: stakeholder management. Here's the reality. As an innovation manager, you might have in your possession the most groundbreaking ideas, but without the support of your internal stakeholders, executives, managers, and employees, your innovations are unlikely to succeed. Stakeholders influence funding, adoption, and execution. Understanding their needs, fears, and motivation isn't just important, it's essential for promoting successful innovations.
Innovation managers often grapple with resistance to change, as stakeholders fear disruption to their roles or routines. Conflicting interests across departments create misalignment, while power dynamics, both formal authority and informal influence, can quietly derail progress. A lack of trust from past failures and competing priorities further push innovation efforts aside in favor of short-term goals. Overcoming these hurdles requires a strategic approach to align stakeholders and drive adoption. This is where the ADKAR model comes in. ADKAR is a structured framework for managing change that helps you systematically identify and address stakeholder resistance. The model breaks the process into 5 stages: awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. First, stakeholders need awareness of why the change is necessary. Then, they must have the desire to support it, seeing clear benefits for themselves or the organization. Next, you provide the knowledge of how the change works and the ability to implement it effectively. Finally, the change must be reinforced to ensure it sticks. Let's bring this to life with an example. Imagine you're introducing a customer loyalty program powered by advanced analytics. At the awareness stage, procurement may not understand how reliable vendors impact the customer experience. Meanwhile, marketing may lack desire, doubting whether the program aligns with the brand's voice. At the knowledge stage, both teams need training to use the analytics platform effectively. The ability stage focuses on enabling smooth integration into workflows. Finally, in the reinforcement stage, you ensure stakeholders remain motivated by sharing customer success stories and measurable improvements in retention. The beauty of ADKAR is that it allows you to pinpoint exactly where stakeholders are stuck in the change process. Rather than applying a one-size-fits-all approach, you can take specific, targeted actions to build trust, reduce resistance, and drive adoption. While ADKAR helps you tackle practical barriers, it's equally important to connect with stakeholders on a human level. This is where empathy maps come into play. Empathy maps help you uncover what stakeholders are saying, thinking, feeling, and doing in response to your innovation. For example, a procurement leader might say they're concerned about compliance risks, but they may think privately, what if this exposes weaknesses in my processes? Emotionally, they may feel anxious, and their actions, like delaying decisions, reflect this underlying tension. By using empathy maps, you gain valuable insights into the emotional and unspoken drivers of stakeholder behavior. Combined with ADKAR, this approach is incredibly powerful. ADKAR helps you address practical needs like knowledge and ability gaps, while empathy maps allow you to craft messages that resonate emotionally and build trust. For instance, if a marketing manager says they're excited but feels threatened that the innovation might replace their creative input, you can reassure them by demonstrating how the tool enhances their creativity rather than replacing it. Together, these tools allow you to take a holistic approach to stakeholder management, addressing both the logical and emotional dimensions of resistance. In today's discussion, we've seen that managing internal stakeholders is one of the biggest challenges innovation managers face. Resistance, conflicting interests, and power dynamics can derail even the best ideas. The ADKAR model gives you a structured, actionable approach to identify and address the practical barriers stakeholders face, such as a lack of awareness, ability, or reinforcement. By adding empathy maps, you gain deeper insights into their emotional drivers, allowing you to connect with stakeholders on a human level. and tailor your approach for maximum impact. When combined, these tools equip you to overcome resistance, navigate power dynamics, and build alignment that ensures your innovations succeed.
Ready to elevate your stakeholder engagement strategy? Download the free guide on combining ADKAR and empathy maps, link in the description, or book a workshop to get started. Let's continue the conversation and share what's working and what isn't. Drop a comment with your experiences and challenges. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching and stay innovative.